so good in here. Oh my god, the candles smell amazing. Slippers, going downstairs to have some tea, relax. The little nice zen music is on. It's so nice here, it's so peaceful. And I have a bed that literally like vibrates or something. It's supposed to help you go to sleep. I don't know, it's some like holistic something, but I'm here for it. I'm here for it. So nice here. This is the little hot tub and sauna situation. That's the sauna right over there. And these are little hot tubs in the ground. It's so cute. I literally cannot express how amazing my little treatment was. Oh my god, it was so good. Okay, so I got this like Vichy, it's called like a Vichy shower, but it's eucalyptus. You're like wearing nothing, but then you have like a towel over you, like a little bit of a towel. You lie down on this bed and they like scrub you with eucalyptus body scrub, and then you get put under this like steam tent, and it's from here to your toes, so you basically your whole body's covered except your head is out. You have like a face mask on top that's full of like essential oils. While she's giving you like a head massage, the steam is just building up in the tent, and you just like all your pores are opening. Oh my god, it's amazing. After like 20 minutes of that, then you get like rinsed down inside the tent. Like the tent has like, I don't know, like waterfall jets or something that just like wave past you, like rinsing you down from the body scrub. And then you get on the massage table, and then she just like, now you have a massage. I literally cannot. That was amazing. That was so good. I've never felt more relaxed in my life. Day 3, we're off to the pool, the sauna. I'm going to do a cold plunge again. It's going to be so exciting, and I'm halfway through my book.